Hello and welcome to Designora. Today we are diving into a style that's all about warmth, comfort, and nature. That is rustic interiors. If you have ever dreamt of creating a cozy, inviting space that feels like a warm hug, this style might be just for you. Let's explore how you can bring that rustic charm into your home with some simple yet impactful design choices. Natural materials. Natural materials are key features in rustic design. Think of wood, stone, and textiles that feel authentic and unrefined. For wood, opt for exposed beams, reclaimed furniture, or even hardwood floors. The trick is to keep it as natural as possible. No heavy finishes or gloss. Stone can also play a big role, whether it's a stone wall, a fireplace, or even stone tiles. It adds that earthy, grounded texture. Finally, for textiles, lean into natural fabrics like linen, cotton, and wool. Layer up with woven rugs, chunky knit blankets, and lots of texture that really nail that cozy vibe. Color palette. The rustic color palettes takes inspiration straight from nature. Think of soft browns, pinch, whites, and grays. To add depth, you can mix muted greens, blues, and rust tones. Keep things stubble, nothing too bright or bold. The goal is to create a peaceful, grounded atmosphere that feels like an extension of the outdoors. Furniture. Rustic interiors shine with furniture that feels like it has a story to tell. Vintage or antique pieces fit perfectly here, as do items made from reclaimed wood. Look for furniture that's handcrafted or has a handmade touch, like pottery, woven baskets, or even DIY decor. These personal, unique elements gives your space a character and makes it truly yours. Natural light and greenery. Maximizing natural light is another key element of rustic interiors. Large windows without heavy treatments allows the sunlight to flood in, creating a warm and inviting environment. For privacy, you can use light linen or cotton curtains that still let the light in. And don't forget about artificial lighting. Choose fixtures made from materials like metal, wood, or glass and aim for vintage or industrial look to complement the rustic theme. Finally, bring a touch of nature indoors with the greenery. Potted plants, hanging plants, or even dried flowers can add a natural touch, helping to blur the lines between inside and the outdoors, or even your entire home. So, whether you are looking to transform a single room or even your entire home, rustic interiors offer a perfect blend of comfort, style, and nature. I hope this inspired you to create your own cozy rustic retreat. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe for more design inspiration from Designora. And see you next time.